I'm Amber.
I'm Maddie.
And she's Maddie.
Yes.
Yes. And we are responding to Travis, Tyler, and Josh's
Good
video.
job.
And let's go.
A-E-I-O-U, and sometimes Y. A-E-I-O-U, and sometimes Y. Ha, on your face. You forgot that. We went to preschool. We went to preschool.
And we just like to say that we love you very much. And Josh, no. Josh, I like your hat.
Yeah.
But
Tyler.
yes, you scare me.
Kinda, yeah.
A little bit, but you know it's okay because you're cool too. You're just really funny, and you stopped hiding signs or whatever it's supposed to be. Anyway, Travis, we love you. You guys are video buddies. We will challenge you sometime.
We're going to battle you.
We will.
We're going to figure something out.
Will.
I'm going to call you and figure it out.
But we have to go. We're going to make more videos.
Yeah, this is Leslie.
Yeah, that's Leslie. Anyway, we are going to go because...
Oh, here's a pencil.
We probably will call you sometime, but
yeah.
anyway, we'll just go for now. All right.